Welcome to my tutorial on fixing leaking valve. And the first step is we need to identify the problem. Here we have the most probably sealing problem. As you can see, the water is dripping. Second step is to get the appropriate tools in order to fix the problem. The sealing and how to unscrew your valve. Make sure you have the right size, because I bought these pliers and they're not big enough. This thing I bought for around like $7 USD. This is the old method to fix the sealing. This is not really good, as I heard, and this is more like a modern solution, the sealing thread. Make sure you stop all of the water coming into your flat or apartment, but before that make sure that no washing machine or dishwasher is working, so you won't terminate its water. So now we'll try to unscrew and see what we have behind these screws. So as you can see, I've applied the special texture the old-fashioned way. Don't judge me too harshly, because I have no idea what I'm doing with this old-fashioned way, but it looks like this. I guess it will be cut later on, and see if the old-fashioned way works. And the gel, you can see I've already also applied, as you've probably seen before in previous steps. It was in the tools, so let's see if it works. Surprisingly, the old-fashioned way worked. It doesn't drip anymore, as you can see. That's water is running. Now there's a bit of connector, but it doesn't drip when you turn off. It's just a cheap one, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, all I need is to cut this off. But if you don't have this old-fashioned texture, you can just use the modern solution of sealing thread. It should even work better, I guess.